Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the pre-launch of the new HPSI Pro platform, automated trailer bot. Super excited to have each and every one of you on here today. One thing that you want to do is when the webinar is complete and over, get back to the person who invited you here, guys. Super excited to be sharing this. Amazing pre-launch and to let all of you know what this HPSI Pro is all about. All right, and what it can do for you in the cryptocurrency trading markets, and also what it can do for your financial needs. Right, so we're super excited to share this with you all today. So we're going to kick this off here in a couple more seconds. Feel free to, use the chat as well to, as we're going through this myself, and, just super excited for this, guys. So we're going to hang tight here for a couple more seconds, and we're going to go ahead and kick this off. All right, everyone, welcome to the pre-launch to the most versatile crypto trading platform called the HPSI Pro. It's in pre-launch right now, getting ready to launch here within the next couple of days. And I'm just super excited to be able to share with you the power of what this HPI Pro can do for you if you're a trader, if you have never been involved in trading. All right, that's okay, because this HPSI Pro is set up to help the average person start trading and receive and build their Bitcoin portfolio, guys. So I'm super excited for you to be able to attend this event. Whoever invited you on here, make sure you get back to that person after this webinar is over to get started. And also, I got a special announcement for all of you viewers that are going to be attending this at the very end. So stick with me. It's going to be short and sweet. I'm going to get straight to the point. But most importantly, you want to get back to the person who invited you here today. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, everybody. Super excited to share this with you. The first thing I want to talk about is crypto trading. Okay, what are HPSI Pro is able to do for each and every one of you? Okay, whether you are involved in cryptocurrency trading at the current time, whether you are involved in, maybe you have some Bitcoin that you're just, holding on to in an exchange. But most importantly, it's about being able to set up notifications, being able to program your own bot the way you want it. Okay, and that's the main thing that everybody always wants to talk about. Well, I don't know this strategy, I don't know how to set this up, I don't know what I'm doing. And that's okay, because we are about to release the only platform in the entire crypto industry that allows us to create our own bot, set it up the way we want to inside of our own exchange, and have control of our Bitcoin 100% of the time. How many of you have seen so many people getting, scammed and ripped off because they have to send their Bitcoin to this place or that place? Well, not here with CWE, guys. CWE has put together a solid software where we control our own Bitcoin inside our own exchange. But most importantly, we have we have bots that trade for us on autopilot. Now, today's presentation, guys, is about the pre-launch of our new HPSI Pro bot. Okay, and what does that mean? Well, this means that now you are able to tell the bot when to buy, when to sell, how much you want to invest into that specific trade, what pairs you want, what buy strategies you want, what sell strategies you want to set it up, what indicators you want. Guys, there is nothing else in the industry that can compare to this. And I'm super excited for all of you to be able to to really dive in today and you know, to really see the power of this HPSI Pro. So as you can see here on slide number 1, all right, what the platform is offering all of us. Okay, I am super fired up for this. I've been testing strategies, you know, for the past, you know, 15 days, and I'll tell you what, you know, there's no guarantees, but you know, my Bitcoin portfolio and my Bitcoin balance is going up even in a down market. So over here, as you can see, you can set it up for a robot strategies, okay, where you can say what settings you want it to do, okay, where you can set your settings, your investment. It'll show you your average profit. It'll also show you and ask you what type of indicators you want to set this up for. Now, you may not know. I just got a call here that you can't see my screen. Hopefully you can all see it now. Let me know if you can all see it now. Sorry about that. So basically, what you can do with this platform is, number 1, you can tell it everything that you want it to do, from strategies, from indicators, from everything. All right. So as you can see here in slide number 1, all right, what you can choose to do is what I was explaining to you before. Set up the strategies and all the settings, how much you want to invest in per trade. Okay, it'll show you the profit. It'll show you all the transactions. Okay, but remember, you have full control of your Bitcoin inside your own exchange. But most importantly, you're building your own bot, telling it what to do, when to buy, when to sell in a bear market or a bull market. That is super, super exciting, right? You can also set this HPSI Pro up as a paper trading. Whether you want to, you know, try out a new strategy, okay, you can set up different settings that it'll actually paper trade for you. And what does paper trading mean? It means that it's going to trade for you without using any money. Okay, to let you know how the strategy is working and what it's doing in certain markets, in certain situations. Now, like I said before, if you have no clue what to do or what to look for or what settings or what indicators, that's okay. Because this platform, you're going to be able to choose a strategy to plug into your own bot from traders that are seeing results, that are seeing success, okay, which is super, super exciting. So you don't have to sit down and figure out or pay a programmer to go ahead and build you a bot, because CWE has built it for you right inside of our platform software. The next slide I'm going to share with you is some settings. Okay, now this is for paper trading, right? Whether you want to go back and run a simulator on a certain strategy, you can set it to go back and choose different dates of what that strategy would have done in the market. Or you can actually set up a strategy that's working for the expert traders that are here, and you can just click a button and have that strategy plugged right into your bot and go ahead and start executing trades immediately. All right, you can choose the start date. You can choose the end date if you wish. Down here, you can see how it talks about the investments, okay, of how much Bitcoin. It talks about the drop percentage, the bounce percentage. Everything that you need to know is going to be you're going to be able to execute inside of your own bot. The next slide I want to talk about is strategies, right? There's many of us that might not have a clue, like I said, about strategies, how to set things up, what indicators are what. You just want to, you know, be able to plug into a bot or plug into trading, crypto trading, because we can all agree, you know, there's no better time to be in crypto than right now, right? You know, and people are hitting me up saying, wow, Bitcoin dropped, Justin, Bitcoin dropped. I said, yeah, it's on sale. But now what's about to happen is we're never going to see Bitcoin this low anymore. All right. It's going to start to get on that bull run. All right. So the great thing about the HPSI Pro is, guys, we can create it and tell it to trade with different strategies. Right here, you'll be able to click on this button where you can add in your own strategy, your own buy strategies. If you're a trader that you know, maybe know and have experience of the indicators and the sell and buy strategies that you might, you know, be using in your own exchange, Well, here, guys, you can tell it what to do, when to buy, when to sell, how much to invest, all inside this HPSI Pro platform. You can come over here and be able to see what that strategy is doing for you, the actual profits, you know, the total profit. You can change the settings anytime you want. You can add in any type of strategy, guys, that you want. So can we agree that if you are, you know, in the crypto space right now and you're looking at this for the first time, you know, and all the times that you've been trying to trade in your own exchange, wondering, oh my gosh, you know, I want to buy this coin, but I'm not sure what percentage or how to figure out a percentage when to sell it. Guys, what this platform is doing for all of us, and what more is going to be added to this, is you can basically set up your own bot without paying a programmer, okay? Whatever strategies you want, and tell it anything that you want it to do. I have never been more excited about a pre-launch, and this is going live at the end of this month. Actually, it's coming live in about 10 days from now. Okay, so this is a pre-launch. And so you've been invited on here by somebody who wanted to share this with you, because this is going to change the industry. All right. And why do I say that, guys? Because I've been, you know, in the crypto space now for about 4 years. I bought Bitcoin when it was at $350 each, and I kept it in my Coinbase wallet, right? And there's so many other platforms out there of mining and this and that, where you had to send your Bitcoin off to that company, and you cross your fingers and hopefully they were going to give back to you what they promised. And most of the time it didn't. I lost thousands of dollars in Bitcoin that by me sending out to other companies, and I never seen it again. Right? So now, guys, we finally have at our fingertips a revolutionary, world-class CWE HPSI Pro platform bot where we can have it do whatever we want. So basically what this boils down to, it's a platform that's already built for us, where all we have to do is name the strategy, select the exchange from all different exchanges that we offer. We offer Bittrex, you know, you can use Binance, HitBTC. You know, there's so many different exchanges, and there's so many being added to the platform. And all you do is select your API key. All right. Now here you can see how it chooses the top 15 coins that that are actually at the top of coin market cap at that current particular time. But you can change these coins. You can add as many coins out as you want. All right. Or you can just choose the recommended cryptocurrencies of the company that they're, you know, by the company that they're, you know, recommending, because they're the top 15 in volume coins at that time. Okay. But you can click off of them and add as many coins as you want. You can select all the cryptocurrencies of the exchange, right? And the cool thing about that is, from what I've been seeing with my results, guys, is with my strategy, all right, I've been using the whole entire cryptocurrencies of the exchange, of my exchange in Binance, and my sell and buy strategies, guys, even in a bear market, no guarantees. You know, results are non-typical. I have to say that for the disclosure here, you know, because we cannot guarantee any results. But just today alone, my strategy earned me over $100 in Bitcoin. Now, that may happen to you. It may not happen for you. But the great thing about it is, if you're new and you've never done anything like this before, you can plug in a strategy that one of the top traders or experts are using and seeing results, which you'll be able to monitor, and just use their strategy and plug it right into your bot. So you have your own customized bot that you can program any way you want on your own platform right here with the HPSI Pro. You can also enter your investment by coin that you want to invest in, per coin that you want the bot to execute trades at. Guys, there is nothing like this. You can hear it in my voice. I'm super passionate about this. I've never been so excited about a software, especially in the crypto space, because we all know cryptocurrency is going to be booming. It's been booming now for a few years, and it's about to skyrocket again. And there's no better time to be plugged into a platform with a software here like the HPSI Pro, where all you have to do is take a strategy with a click of a button. If you're new, or if you're an experienced trader, you can enter in any strategy that you like and have the bot test it for you. You can have it execute trades for you and change it at any given time, guys. So basically, you're owning your own bot inside of your own platform software and be able to maximize in the cryptocurrency space. The next slide I want to touch base on is strategies. Okay, so a strategy. What is a strategy? Okay, well, a strategy is where you can actually select the coins or use the 15 coins, or select an exchange that you want just by entering your API key. And also you can see here where it says you can choose the recommended cryptocurrencies of the company below, or you can select all the cryptocurrencies of the exchange. Now, the great thing about this as well, guys, is just this is one of the settings that you can choose, is that you want to tell the bot to only select coins that have been on that exchange for minimum days since the coin was added to the exchange. So you can select 60, right? Because we all know these ICOs get added to the exchange and they're pump and dumps, right? So you don't want to be involved in those pump and dumps, because we can all agree, if you're an experienced trader, that they'll shoot up and then they'll dip down and you'll lose a lot of money. So here's a great thing about this, is that you can actually tell the bot inside of your platform how many days that you want that coin for that bot to trade. That has to be on the exchange for at least a certain amount of days. Now, also, you can also select a coin for a minimum trading value in BTC in the last 24 hours, right? So you want to, you want to be able to choose the coins that have the volume, high volume in the last 24 hours, or whatever you want, guys. There is endless possibilities here and strategies that you can implement. Now, let me get back to if you're new and never done anything like this, you might be asking yourself, well, what if I've never traded before? What if I don't know any strategies? That's okay, because you're going to be able to choose a strategy from an expert where it's creating results and plug it right into your own bot. You can also test that strategy first, which I recommend that you would do, is you want to test a strategy out by paper trading before you actually go ahead and use your own crypto to start that strategy in your own bot. All right. The next slide here, and the last slide I want to touch base on, are strategies. Okay. Now, in this section, you can select so many different strategies, customized strategies of every different kind of chart indicator to create inside of your robot. You may select as many as you want. All right. Just by selecting and selecting the box here and adding a value in each field, right? This is just a few that I'm sharing with you, but you can create customized strategies. Just for an example, you can see here, the RSI 14 close in a 1 hour. You can set time frames. You can choose different coins that you want. The MACD, the MA moving average crossover at different periods and different time frames. Guys, you can add in whatever you want with your condition, with the value. And most importantly, guys, you'll be able to take a strategy from someone who has been using that strategy, and most importantly, has been seeing results with that strategy, and plug it right into your own bot. But first, you want to do a paper trade on it, which is all self-explanatory, guys. It's just everything is from a click of a button. Now, there is no other platform out there where you can take advantage of this. All right, where you can actually have your own bot pre-built for you the way you want it, the way you want it to sell, the way you want it to execute, the way you want it to buy coins, whether it's in a bear market, a bull market. You can also set up this bot to make things happen and create massive, success and have success by testing it out and paper trading with fake money until you actually implement your own in a bear market. Guys, where can you find something out there, where you'll feel comfortable by turning on a bot in a bear market when the market is going down, and I actually execute trades and, most importantly, no guarantees, get somewhat of results in return. All right. Now, there's no guarantees. This is not something where you just invest money and, you're going to be a millionaire overnight. This is a platform where you can tell it what to do at any given time, at any given place, at any given day, on any exchange that we offer here with any different strategy or indicators that you want. Now, I am super fired up for this, guys. As you can tell, this is just a small portion, but I wanted to introduce this to you. And most importantly, the people that got you on this call wanted you to see this, because this is going to change the industry. This is going to change the game. Now, you're probably asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? right? You're probably sitting there thinking, wow, this for something like this, you know, if you've been in the industry and you've looked around at different types of, you know, platforms and, you know, cost hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars. Well, how would you like to get this entire HPSI Pro bot inside of our platform, your own customized software, absolutely free? Yes, I said absolutely free, guys. So how can you get this for free? Well, all you have to do is get back to the person who invited you on this call today. All right. We have different licensed softwares. Okay. CWE is a licensed software company. Okay. We offer we provide a trading platform software where you can choose different types of bots and different types of ways that you can implement your trading. And most importantly, it saves time. And we can all agree time equals money. So there's different price ranges for our live. If you get back to the person who got you on this call today, okay, and you select the licensed software that you asked them about, and I'm sure you have some questions, you get this HPSI Pro bot platform absolutely free inside of your license. Now you might be thinking, well, Justin, how much are these licenses? You know, how much, you know, can they possibly be to get this for free? Well, let me tell you something. The highest license, okay, is something where it costs maybe 2 cups of coffee a day, okay, to put it in short terms. But I'm sure you have some questions, but you definitely want to get back to the person who invited you here, guys. I'm telling you right now, this is going to change the industry. When this is launched, this platform right here, the HPSI Pro, I cannot tell you what the price is going to be when this gets launched. But right now, CWE is offering it absolutely for free for you when you upgrade to one of the licenses that we have. And every license package has a price that is for everyone's financial, you know, affordability, where you can afford it. And like I said, up to 2 cups of coffee a day. But most importantly, guys, you want to take advantage of this. There's no better time to get this up and running and be ready for this to go live, where you can take advantage of the next Bitcoin boom, because many people out there are thinking, wow, well, you know, Bitcoin went from, you know, 4,000 to 20,000. Now it's back down to 6,000, 7,000, right? Is it going to go up again? Well, let me tell you something. Yes, it is going to go up again. And if you missed the first wave, guys, there's no better time to be plugged into this licensed software with CWE. Get all set up. We help each other. We work together. And most importantly, you're going to be able to do this whether you're new or whether you're experienced, to plug into a strategy that is working right into your own customized bot in your own platform, guys. So all you have to do is get back to the person who invited you here today, okay? Ask your questions, guys, and get started with this license today, because I'm telling you right now, you will never see this license HPSI bot, Pro bot, for free ever again. All right? This is only a pre-launch special right now, so you want to get back to the person who invited you here and get your questions answered, and we'll be glad to get you started and show you every single thing of how to, you know, the simple steps to get this thing up and running, guys. So I'm super excited for you. I look forward to, you know, getting to know you as you get your license today, and also be able to see and help you execute your trading ability and trading strategies inside of your own bot, and not have to worry about other companies taking your Bitcoin and losing it, and you crossing your fingers, not knowing when it's going to come back. So I thank you all for attending this webinar, guys. Make sure you get back to the person who invited you here. If you're not sure who invited you here, you know, reach out to one of us here in this YouTube channel that you see this broadcast live, and we will get back to you. Type in the comments if you don't remember who got you here, and we will make sure that somebody here from CWE will reach out to you and help you get your questions answered, and also get your license software set up. Thank you all very much for attending this webinar, and I look forward to seeing you all here using and the power of the HPSI Pro and the CWE platform. Take care, everybody, and have a great day.